it's me again, back with another plan with me. I've got a new kit to show you. It's called Summer Cocktails by A Goodwin Design. We received this one yesterday. It will be released on Monday, the 19th of April. And it's a full kit, over 800 stickers. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will share with you a code which will get you 20% off. So with this plan with me now, I put a white box around the days of the week to blank them out. And here I'm just playing with the headers. So this is a full kit. So we've got over 800 stickers, and the layout stickers also come with it. But I decided that I was going to use this washi instead. So this is cocktail themed, sort of really bright pastel-y colours for summer. So what I did here was I cropped down some washi, and then you'll see me put the days of the week over the top. We've got different days of the week. We've got some bubble writing as usual with these full kits, and so if you notice there, I was just matching up to make sure that they were the days of the week with the right size. And I do this all the way along the page, and then after that I add the months, like the calendar date, which are in yellow bubble writing. I actually think these colours go quite nicely together. So we go all the way along from Monday to Sunday with this. So I've been having some issues with Xodo on my Android tablet at the moment. For some reason it keeps, I don't know, crashing, and I managed to lose some of my planner, which I've then had to redo, which was rather frustrating. So the next thing I decided to do with this spread was use the colour block stickers that come with the kit. I use these quite a lot actually. I quite like them. A bit like washi, but not really washi. But I use all the colours from the set, and I go all the way along the page to try and create sort of like a rainbowy sort of pattern. I do this to because what I'm going to do is put a couple of boxes in for events and stuff. So I've got a couple of appointments next week, so I'll go all the way along the page with my colour block, cropping and you know, shaping to size. And on Monday the kids go back to school, so I've put in a quarter box for that, and I'm typing in back to school, and I'm using a school sticker from a shop called GraceSufficientDesigns, and these little bears are really cute. They're Oliver and Olivia, so I used that for that. And then I just put a square box down the bottom of the page from back in with the A Goodwin Designs Summer Cocktail Set, and a quote. And on Tuesday I've got quite a busy day, so I put a bigger box. I've got a telephone appointment with the job centre, so I'm just finding an icon from the Summer Cocktails kit and typing in that I have an appointment at 11 o'clock. And I also have a job interview online. These here are printable stickers from Peticoatbandit, and I just crop them to get the sticker that I want. So I've got a job interview on Tuesday, back now with the Summer Cocktails kit, and we're using another box. And I've got a driving lesson, so I'm using another printable from Plan So Cute and cropping out a little character in a car. My driving lesson is at 12 o'clock. And I'm then going in with a dribble sticker because I don't think I've got anything on Thursday. And then we've got a to-do box from Monday. I know I've got some errands to run on Monday. So we're using this gradient checkbox, and I'm just cropping it down to size. And I feel I've got to pick up my meds, and I've got to get some groceries on Monday. And for that little white space in the middle, I just crop down some washi and put that there. So on Tuesday, again, got another to-do header, and we're using some of the colour blocks again in between the space to break it up a bit. So underneath the to-do header, I'm using these scallop checkboxes, and I don't need all of it, so I'm just cropping it down to size. I think I just put 3 checkboxes in for some to-dos that day. I think 3 is usually enough. And then I'm just decorating with some cocktail deco and some washi. Again, just sort of cropping things down to the size that I want. And this washi with the cocktails on, I overlapped it to make it longer and fit in the box. And then I just came in with some short washi and again cropped that a bit and made it bigger so it fitted in the space. Next, we've got another to-do list header underneath the driving lesson, and again I'm going in with some yellow colour block in between the space between the box and the header, which actually I think looks quite nice. So we're using another to-do checklist with the hearts on, and I've just cropped out 3. I think that's enough, because I'm not sure what I've got to do, probably laundry and things like that. And then I was looking for a deco box, but this was slightly too large, so what I decided to do was use the colour blocks again to put them behind the box. You'll see in a minute. So I just copy and paste the colour blocks and then put the sticker over the top, and then I just fill that bottom space with some more washi. So that looks quite nice. And so the next thing to do is add another to-do header underneath this box with Dribble drinking his cocktail, and I made the checklist slightly longer because Thursday's the day I usually have a lot of housework and things to do. So again, just putting in some of those colour blocks in between on that white space there. And coming in now on Friday with a quarter box, which I'm going to leave blank because I don't know what I've got to do on Friday. With another to-do header, the colour block in between. This time we're using the light blue colour block and a checklist, another pink one, and I am cropping that down to size. We're going to use 4 again on Friday, and another box with a little quote on, which I cropped down only very slightly so that it fits. And then on the bottom of the page, these grey boxes, I use the colour blocks to colour those in, and I use the different colours that come with the kit all the way along. So we've got a pink, a blue, a lilac-y colour, and I think there's a yellow and dark pink and a darker purple perhaps. So we're using the pink one next, and then I believe I used the yellow one after that. Yeah, I do use the yellow one after that. So Saturday and Sunday I leave blank for now because I'm not sure what I've got to do on Saturday and Sunday. I usually don't do anything. Might do a bit of planning, might play some Sims. So next, this box at the top, I'm putting in this double box and cropping it down to size, and I add a quote over the top of that which says "Sip happens." The next thing I do, I think I add the quote afterwards, but then I'm just cropping down this chalkboard to fill up this other square box. And then I'm using a April in the bubble writing from the months folder, and another dribble with his flowery necklace on. I can't remember what you call those, a bow of some kind. And then we're using a tracker. So that's that for the spread. And now, as promised, the code you need for 20% off is AGD team. Everything I've used today will be linked in the description of the video. Bye for now.